morning, people. Pretty excited. It's about 8 in the morning. Today, Hudson and I are going with Kyle and Mr. Reed and Nick and Titus, and we are going to watch some dirt bike racing. Is that right, sir?
Oh yeah, let's go.
So we are getting ready to cook up some eggs, have a great breakfast, and then we're going. What are you most looking forward to?
Watching the quads.
It should be fun. And we become huge coconut milk fans. So this morning we are cooking on the new Pampered Chef, awesome, I don't even know what you call it, thing that Mom just got me for an early birthday present. So this thing is sweet. It's got two things. Actually goes this way too, so you can like do paninis and all that. But today we're gonna do it. Use the griddle, but it has a bunch of attachments too. Just push this button and they pop right off. It's got a huge waffle attachment. And so this will be our first time using it. I'm excited. So we're gonna make us some eggs and take a shower and get ready to go. Get the other guys.
I will keep on finding you.
Mr. Reed, are you excited?
Yeah, we're going to see the motorcycle race.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Oh, this is fun too. Keep it
What's up,
busy.
man? What's happening?
Heart rush, head flush. It's like jumping into the lake at night. It's my love too much? 'Cause I feel like it's eating me alive. Do you feel the same? Caught up in the way we are made of the same pieces. Color in the gray, all the light you gave is pouring out of me. Yeah. Jump into the deep end, give you all my weekends, taking all the back roads. We can make the time slow, betting on a feeling. We keep on reliving as the moon is rising. I will keep on finding. Jump into the deep end, give you all my weekends, taking all the back roads. We can make the time slow, betting on a feeling. We keep on reliving as the moon is rising. I will keep on finding you. I will keep on finding you. I will keep on finding you.
All right, a little bit. Did you guys have fun? Did you have a good time?
Yes.
It was awesome.
Feels great.
Hey everybody, we had such an amazing time out watching the Big Air Motocross. I want to just say thank you so much to Kyle and Mr. Reed and Nick and Big Man Titus, and obviously my boy Hudson. We're just grateful that you guys took the time to spend with us on the weekend and just go out and have an awesome time. So, you know, it was really cool. It was my first time out seeing motocross like that. You know, just being out there and hearing the dirt bikes, And just seeing them do the jumps and just seeing the whole community out there, the whole dirt bike community was really fun. And I know the boys had an awesome time. So yeah, for anybody watching this, if you get a chance, go check out some Big Air Motocross, especially with the kids. It's an awesome time.
Thanks for watching. Smash the like button. Subscribe down below. Make sure you hit that button down below to watch more of our videos.